Drumroll, please. And the winner of the Hero 9 is... Hello to the 25,000 subscribers to this channel. It has been a long journey here and insane how it's been growing so fast. So thank you to everyone that's helped this channel grow. I really do appreciate that. If you are new here, don't be a stranger to the channel. You can click that button too and join in. And I won't take too much time on this video, but I do need to stress one important thing before we go forward. Don't get scammed. I've been doing giveaways on this channel for a long time. I've given away guitars, GoPros, lights, mics, other cameras, just a lot of stuff. But this is the first time that this channel has ever been targeted by scam bots. So if you ever see anyone in the comments that are pretending to be me replying to you, telling you like maybe you've won something, and if they have some kind of name that's like my WhatsApp number or whatever, that's a scam. And apparently that happens to a lot of YouTubers out there. And I'll do my best to go through and report them and hide them from the channel. And if you see that too, you can also do that. But I think it's just a better idea to educate you guys and let you know that there are scams out there, especially in those comments. So remember that, don't get scammed. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get to the Hero 9 giveaway. So the parameters to win this was to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and leave a comment letting me know what you would use it for. And I actually just did the draw on my live stream podcast channel that you can check out. I'll put a link to that in the description. So what's gonna happen here, we're live on YouTube Uncut, and just so you guys know that there's no funny business, this is all real and live and happening. But I did it live on there just to make sure that you know that I wasn't doing anything like editing wise and giving it away to one of my friends. This is completely random. So if I draw your name, you have just under 1 week to contact me via email. My name is DannyBlack@gmail.com, and leave a comment down in the comment section of this video so that I know that I can verify that it's you, unless you are a member of this channel, which in fact, I actually contact you. So that's pretty easy and a good little perk there. So if I don't call your name, don't lose hope, because there's a good chance that the person that won didn't watch this video within a week, and I'll have to do a redraw next Sunday on my podcast channel. So there were 741 unique comments. By the way, I filter out the duplicate comments, so you don't need to do that on future giveaways. All right, let's draw. Drum roll. And the winner is Calloy Mobile Videography. You have won. And his comment was, I would use the Hero 9 for my travel vlog. It would be the first high-end camera. So hey, that would be awesome if you can utilize this for better travel vlogs on your channel. Really pumped for you, but you have 1 week to let me know that you saw this. Otherwise, you lose out. So, and maybe we should set a new goal. If I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'll give away a Hero 10. So that'll be cool. But let's see what happens. Stay tuned and subscribe to the podcast, which is called YouTube Uncut. It's pretty cool talking about YouTube life and gear and all that stuff. It's just a fun hangout session. Check that out and all the other things, and I will see you next time.
Mr. Black.